महामारीक लागून अंदूच्यो विद्यापीठाच्यो परीक्षा ऑनलायन घेवच्यो अशें काँग्रेसीच्या विद्यार्थी संघटनेन विद्यापीठाच्या कुलसचिवा कडेन मागणी केल्ली। काँग्रेस विद्यार्थी संघटनेच्या विरोधान वचोन एबीव्हीपीच्या विद्यार्थी संघटनेन त्यो परीक्षा ऑफलायनूच घेवच्यो अशी मागणी केल्ली। ऑफलायन परीक्षेक बसपी विद्यार्थ्यांक कोविड दुयेंत जाल्यार तांची जबाबदारी कोण घेता हाचें उत्तर एबीव्हीपी विद्यार्थी संघटनेच्या वांगड्यांनी दिवचें अशी मागणी NSUI संघटनेन केल्या।
The problem came out and the university was also ready to have online exams. The only problem came out when other student organization, that is the ABVP, comes out with a statement. They go to the university, they ask for offline examinations. When the entire student voice was for online exam, I don't know what was the need for an offline examination demand by the ABVP. So now that the COVID case has come up in Dempe College, in GEC College, and there is no certainty as to when the exams will be held and what will be the procedure of the examination, when it will be postponed, the entire responsibility goes to the ABVP, and the ABVP has to take responsibility as to why they came up with a demand, an unnecessary demand of an offline examination. Right now, the students have learned the entire syllabus in an online mode, and it is their right to have an online examination itself, which every student believes. This unnecessary demand led to all these problems, and the ABVP, who is the CM's, who acted like the CM soldier, has to answer this, because while the student issues were taking place, the CM was busy with disturbing the villagers of Melauli. He's disturbing he's disturbing the wildlife. He has to answer us, and he has to. We want to have an appointment which we have never got. So the CM has to be student friendly and not only ABVP friendly, and not only listening to the demands that his party people are making, because there's a very huge demand for online examination, and there is still time that he comes up with a solution.
इफ़ी को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि इतने टफ टाइम्स में जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, उस समय में भी इतनी कन्विक्शन के साथ और इतने बड़े पैमाने पर ये फेस्टिवल करना, उसी स्पिरिट के साथ करना, ये तो मतलब उसके लिए फेस्टिवल डायरेक्टर से लेकर हर एक वॉलंटियर तक, सारे जूरीज को मैं दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
In this situation, COVID situation, we had no idea, because we got to know it was postponed, and we were told that most of it will be digital. But under the circumstances, I think they have done a very good job, and they are following all the safety norms, etc. But that's not taking away anything from the enjoyment of the movies. We've been coming, my husband and I, we've been coming here for last 12 years now.